The purpose of this video is to provide information for kit modelers who do not already know about positives and negatives on current and some older Dragon kits, which are still available today, all in 1:35 scale. This video focuses on World War II kits. To call the logic behind Dragon's kit range evasive is an understatement. It pays to know the difference between the kits, as you can obtain some really awesome Dragon kits for the same price as you would pay for some of their lesser kits. Some re-releases are simply remanufactured old kits with no upgrades, or even unadvertised downgrades. So this is an attempt to share what I found out about that, among other things. A lot of that is based on trial and error, since this manufacturer certainly does not inform us very well on their own accord. Great appreciation goes to Mann right here on YouTube for making an introductory video 10 years ago. Link is in the description. If you are totally new to what Dragon kits are, I recommend you go watch Mann's video first, enjoy yourself for 20 minutes, as I mentioned the link is in the description, and then come back here and resume. The video that you are now watching is not attempting to replace or compete with Mann's easy to understand introduction to Dragon kits, but to supplement and update it on a few points, bringing us up to speed on the current selection and not least the pitfalls of Dragon kits. I should also say that kits in 1:35 scale go really well with 1:32 scale model trains, at least to my mind. I would say that a 1:35 Panzer model looks great sitting on a 1:32 scale flat car, hence the origin of my particular interest, which was then sparked by Adam Mann's overview those 10 years ago, and something which more of you out there might consider getting into and enjoy the amalgamation between these two hobbies. First, a few things worth mentioning about older Dragon kits, and why some of those are more bothersome than they have to be in today's market. I would like to make 2 points about this. The first point is that individual track links came on sprues instead of pre-cut in a bag. From what I can tell, this would be most kits from before 2005. Regardless of their moniker, for instance, 1:35, 39-45 series, or whatever. On most of these older kits, tracks come as individual links, but on sprues, like this from that Panzer III there. Not in a bag of pre-cut magic tracks, as would be the case with this Panzer III, for instance. They come in these little bags separately, called magic tracks. Supposedly you don't have to, in these ones, supposedly you don't have to clean them. From what I can tell, that's a matter of debate, but at least you don't have to cut them from the sprue.